Oftentimes we see the term chip carving, and what chip carving is with a knife. You use a knife to carve different things. I'm going to show you how I would do something with a gouge. So I'm going to put just some point marks on the surface here so you can see where I'm going with this. So I've got my curve, that's going to be the stem of the flower. And now I'm going to take my gouge and I'm going to come up the side of the stem like this. Changing the direction of my gouge just a little bit each time. Now I'm going in between those leaves. These are going to be leaves. And you can do this in most woods. So I'm just using the gouge, going the opposite way, and I just flick up once I've bottomed out in the gouge, in the cut. Like this. And if you're a woodworker, you can do this on your saw handles, just like Mr. Diston did on his, and other makers of old did. And when you practice, you'll get really fast at this. Now I've got the leaves done. Now I'm going to go for the flower itself. So it's a quick, easy method, and you can just use a gouge. This is a 1/2-inch gouge. So let's take a look. I'm going to take a shaving off with my plane first. So I'm looking for grain direction. Hopefully this is the right way. Back off my plane iron. Take a shaving, get rid of the pencil lines. And there we can see how I've chip carved inside there. If you have a little bit of residue in there, just take the gouge back in and take it out. That's it. That's the perfect way for cutting a simple flower.